Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering down and unplugging. Safety first. Once done, photograph the key and surrounding keys so you can restore orientation. Use a thin plastic pry or flat guitar pick at the top edge of the keycap. Lift gently until clips release. Make sure to lift evenly. One strong tug will break the scissor hinge. Place the keycap aside, then inspect the scissor mechanism and plastic stabilizer for obvious breaks or debris that stop travel. Once the keycap is off, examine the scissor mechanism closely. You're looking for broken hooks, bent arms, or dirt lodged in the switch. If the clip is damaged, replace it with an exact part. Mac models vary, because the clip geometry is what controls travel and stability. Clean the area with a soft brush and 90% isopropyl on a swab, then align the new scissor so both side hooks sit in the small slots. Press gently until you hear 2 distinct clicks. To finish, center the keycap over the scissor assembly, lower it straight and press the middle first, then press each edge until it snaps into place. Make sure travel feels smooth and returns crisply. Type the key several times to confirm. If it sticks or makes noise, remove and inspect the clip alignment or try a different keycap from a donor source. Misaligned hooks are the usual culprit. If problems persist, replace the entire top case or consult a repair pro for model-specific clips.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.